Good morning, dear students. I am Smita Patel from TPS High School, Bandpali. Welcome you all to this live virtual class from our Sundargarh district. Dear students, today we will learn about the king of English grammar and the heart of each sentence. It is none other than our verb. So, dear students, what are verbs? Verbs कौन होते? Verbs shows three main things. What are they? It denotes a physical action, mental action, also state of being. What do you mean by physical action? Means that whatever action which we can see. आमे जे सब एक्शन करूछु जोटा कि आमे देखि पारछु जेमति कि हमर ईटिंग जेतेबेले खाउछो से एक्शन करूछु कि नहीं खाइबा हला eating, dancing, then writing, reading, all these are action. These are physical action. And there are so many mental actions also there. What are they? They are like when you think about something, okay, thinking, then liking, hating, এই ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ ଆମେ ଦେଖି ପାରୁନା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା mental action ଅଟେ ନାଇଁ ଏବଂ ସେଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ verb ताकू मध्य आमे verb कहवा जेमति कि आसे तमर loving, liking कोनोसी जिंस तुमको इच्छा लागुची ता तुमे like करूछो that is also a verb नहीं सेटा mental action अटे ताहा आमे देखि पारनु किंतु सेटा मध्य गोटे action अटे नहीं then loving, caring नहीं next state of being what is that state of being means I am a teacher मु कोन अटे who am I am a teacher and when I say about you then I will say you are students of class 10th नहीं यहा आमे तमरो स्टेट को आमे डिनोट करछु नहीं सो ए समय रे मध्ये आमे verb रो व्यवहार करछु so dear students before going to the smart board I just want to say that in these summer holidays don't waste time and as this verb is king of your English grammar so try to write down each day or in a week if you will complete 2 chapter then it is also fine so each day you write about all the verbs of each chapter starting from chapter 1 to your all the chapters you write down your heading name of the chapter and start writing all the verbs present in that chapter सबु verb गुडी को जो chapter wise अछि से गुडी को तमे लेखिबो एवं तमे से verb रो पुनी कोन 3 टा forms थाए नहीं तमे जानि छ से गुडी को आग्रु तमे से गुडी को पढी छ नहले मु तुमको आउ थरे बते देबी v1 v2 v3 form and also ing form if you will write all these things chapter wise then you will find easier to when you write your question answer and also when you frame any sentence then you will understand that chapter very well also so dear students try to write down this thing it will help you a lot so let's go to the smart board and learn more about these verbs okay so dear students, today we will learn about verbs, okay, and also we will learn about basic thing about verb that is categorization of verbs, main verb and auxiliary verb. After this class, I hope all of you will easily differentiate between what are the main verbs and what are the auxiliary verbs. So let's start. First of all, we will start from daily schedule of Raju. Okay, we will first read out what he used to do on the daily basis. Okay, Raju, a 10th grader, starts his day by waking up at 7 a.m. Okay, I will underline some words also while reading. See, starts his day by waking up at 7 a.m. नहीं, he brushes his teeth, he takes a shower and eats breakfast, cereal with milk and fruit. After dressing in his uniform and packing his backpack, he walks to school. What he do? He walks to school. At school, he greets his friends and heads to English class. Miss Smita teaches about verbs, explaining that they are action words. So, they are action words like run, jump, eat. She gives examples like the dog barks loudly. Barks is the verb. Raju listens attentively and takes notes. Dear students, here are some sentences of daily schedule of Raju. Raju daily basis पे कौन कौन करे सेगुड़िक दिखाई एवं तुम देखिपर जो सब वर्ड गुड़िक मु अंडरलाइन करिछि सेगुड़िक कौन अटे सेगुड़िक किछि एक्शन को डिनोट करुछि नहीं एक्शन मीन्स तुम जानि परछो कौन एक्शन अछि माने सेगुड़िक होछि हमर वर्ब से माने किछि उटे करूछंती फर्स्ट स्टार्ट्स कला से आरंभ कला नहीं देन कौन ब्रश करिबाठु नेगिरी ईट्स नहीं पेकिंग करिबा walks to school चलिकी स्कूल को जीवा नहीं देन एक्सप्लेनिंग जेतरे टीचर एक्सप्लेन करछंती से कोन करछंती से छुआमान को बुझाउछंती एक्शन करछंती कि नहीं सो डियर स्टूडेंट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग ऑनवर्ड्स तुम जदि बेसिक रू तुम बुझिबा को चेष्टा करिवो देन यू विल फाइंड दैट इंग्लिश इज वेरी इजी नहीं सो English grammar is so fast, but we have to learn something which is necessary in our day-to-day life. नहीं, आमो पाई जोटा necessary ज्ञानटा होची समुद्रर भंडार, किंतु हमको आमर पाई जो basic जिनिस दरकार अछि ताको हमें जानिबा नहीं. जदि तुम चेष्टा करिवो starting to एबे तमर जो start हेची class 9th रो एबे तो तुम जदि start करिवो भल से पढिबा पाई you have 300 days. You will complete your English syllabus very easily. Okay, so all these underlined words are action words. Next jiva. Next, he learns. After that, he learns that verbs can change to show different times. The teacher tanku kon padele. He learns that verbs can change to show different times, past, present, future. After English, he attends math class. After English class, he attends the को class join करे math class where he solve fraction problems. During recess, he plays. Recess time रे से खेले कौन खेले basketball, dribbling and shooting. नहीं. Then with his friends in the afternoon. He has science class. In the afternoon, he has science class and conducts an experiment on plant growth. Next, after school, Raju helps his mom by setting the table and walking the dog. से after तार classes परे कौन करे से ता mom को help करे dining table set करिया पाई एवं से डॉग को मध्य कौन बाहर को ताको बुलेगा को निये नहीं देन he does his homework ensuring all assignments are completed. Before bed he reads a chapter from his favorite book. As he drifts off to sleep he thinks about things. See this action word जोटा कि हमें देखी पारनो किंतु that is also denotes some action, that is mental action. नहीं think also भाबिबा नहीं. So he thinks about all the verbs he learned today. से राति रे पुणी before going to the bed से कौन सोइबा पूर्वरु से जहाँ सब पढ़िला से गुड़ी को से कौन कला पुणी remind कला नहीं So all these underlined words are कौन अटे सेगुड़िक डिनोट करछि सम एक्शन को नहीं तेणु सेगुड़िक कौन अटे verbs. So dear students, we will classify our verbs. ये करवा लीजिए. अच्छा बार So dear students, now we will see classification of verbs. एठारे तुम्हें वर्ब को क्लासिफाई कराइछि या विषय आमे डिटेल रे पुणी पढिबा. Verbs classified into first two types, that is auxiliary verb, then main verb, then auxiliary verb, also divided into two parts, that is modal auxiliary and primary auxiliary. You can see here, but before classification, first we will learn about what are verbs. Okay, once again I will explain. Verbs are words that show that someone or something does, what happens or how something is. नहीं कौन घटुची से विषय रे एवं गोटे स्टेट्स को मध्य से कौन करे सोर्स करे से जणाए. दे आर की टू मेकिंग सेंटेंसेस. से गुडी को माने सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करिवारे एहा सहाय्य करे नहीं. So verbs can split into two main, that is main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Main verbs रो definition कौन अच्छी ना. main verbs show the main action or state in the sentence. They tell what the subject is doing or what it is like. जेमती की आमे देखिबा एग्जांपल द्वारा राजू वर्क्स टू स्कूल. राजू कौन करछि से वर्क्स टू स्कूल माने से स्कूल को चली चली जाउछि. एठारे देखो वर्क्स जो आसिला सेटा एठी होइला कोन एक्शन वर्ड, दैट इज वर्ब. किंतु आमे जतेले देखिबा ही इज अ 10th क्लास स्टूडेंट. एठारे से तार स्टेट को बतौचंती जे से कोन अटी ही इज अ क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट नहीं. सो हियर व्हेन हियर इट इज आल्सो अ मेन वर्ब नहीं. तापरे हमें देखिबा एक्शन वो वर्ब्स गुडी को जोटा अछंती जेमति कि आसला तमरो रन, ईट, जंप नहीं. एउडी को होची हमरो एक्शन वर्ब्स. से मेन वर्ब रो देन लिंकिंग वर्ब शो ए स्टेट और कनेक्ट द सब्जेक्ट टू मोर डिटेल्स लाइक इज, आर, एंड और सीन. नेक्स्ट हमें आउरी डिटेल रे बुझिबा मेन वर्ब को. These verbs are not depend on other verbs. এই जो verb main verb अछि ताहा कोनोसी अन्य कहारी उपरे से डिपेंड करे नाही टू कंप्लीट माने गोटे सेंटेंस रो कंप्लीट सेंस देबा पई ताहा कोनोसी उपरे डिपेंड करे नाही. जेमति कि देखो आशीष गेव मी ए पेन. से मते गोटे पेन देला. एठारे गेव जो अछि से दैट इज द एक्शन वर्ड, दैट इज द verb. एटा होची हमरो ई सेंटेंस रो मेन वर्ब नहीं. सो सीमा वर्क्स इन ए बैंक. सीमा कोठी काम करे? सीमा वर्क्स इन ए बैंक. नेक्स्ट रमेश प्लेज फुटबॉल. रमेश कौन खेले? रमेश प्लेज फुटबॉल. ओके, सो दीज वर्ब्स आर नॉट डिपेंड ऑन अदर वर्ब्स. एई जो सेंटेंस रे जो गोटे वर्ब दिया जाइछि ताहा कोनोसी अन्य वर्ब ऊपर डिपेंड करू नाही टू गिव ए कंप्लीट सेंस ऑफ ए सेंटेंस. माने एई गोटे वर्ब द्वारा ही हमें से सेंटेंस रो फुल मीनिंग हमें भलो भाबरे बुझी पाछू नहीं. सो इट इज द मेन वर्ब ऑफ द सेंटेंस. एउडी को होची मेन वर्ब. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड अबाउट व्हाट आर द मेन वर्ब्स. आमे ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब देखिबा तापरे तांकु डिफरेंशिएट करिबा ताले तमे जानि परिबो जे व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मेन वर्ब एंड ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. नेक्स्ट ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब मींस हेल्पिंग वर्ब. कौन अछि ना ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स हेल्प द मेन वर्ब बाय शोइंग व्हेन समथिंग हैपेंस नहीं. माने केते समय रे केउटा आमे प्रेजेंट रे कोनसी घटना घटला ना ता पास्ट रे अछि ना फ्यूचर रे अछि से जिंस मध्य ए ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब साहाय्य हमें जानी परिबा और एडिंग मीनिंग लाइक आस्किंग क्वेश्चन और शोइंग पॉसिबिलिटी हमें डिटेल रे बुझिबा एग्जांपल जेमती अछि तमरो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब रो डिफरेंट एग्जांपल अछि जेमती कि विल हैव कैन डू और बी रो डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स जेमती कि इज एम एंड आर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम राजू स्टोरी राजू रो हमें जो स्टोरी देखले से थ्रू हमें राजू विल रन टुमारो ଏହା ଆମକୁ କଣ ହେଲ୍ପ କରୁଛି ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେ ସେ ଟୁମୋରୋ ମାନେ ସେ ଏଇଟା फ्यूचर रे ଅଛି ନାଇଁ ସେ ରାଜୁ ଟୁମୋରୋ ସେ will जो ଆମେ यूज କରିଛୁ ଏଥିରୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣି ପାରୁଛୁ ଯେ ସେ କେବେ ଯିବ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ନା ଆସନ୍ତା କାଲି ନାଇଁ ଆସନ୍ତା କାଲି ଏଟା फ्यूचर ରେ ताकू फ्यूचर टेंस रे शो କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏହା ताकू ଏଇ सेंटेंस को जे हेल्प କରୁଛି ନାଇଁ सो it is it ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏଠି auxiliary verb help the main verb by showing when something happens ଆମେ ଏଥିରୁ ଜାଣି ପାରିଲେ will ର ବ୍ୟବହାର ରୁ ଯେ ଏହା କୋଉ ଟେନ୍ସ ରେ ଅଛି ନା फ्यूचर ରେ ନାଇଁ he has finished his homework has to show the completion ମାନେ କାମଟା କଣ ହେଇଛି complete ହେଇ ଯାଇଛି ନାଇଁ he has finished his homework so ए जो has टा जो हमको हेल्प करला कौन जानवा पाई जे ए कंप्लीशन ए होमवर्क टा फिनिश्ड जो हे जाइछि ताकू से एठारे हम देखो दुईटा वर्ब यूज कराइछि ही हैज एंड फिनिश्ड जेतु हमर फिनिश्ड को हेल्प करिवा पई हमर हैज टा व्यवहार कराइछि तेनु एहा होछि हमर हेल्पिंग वर्ब और आमे कहि परिबा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब आल्सो एठी एमती हेल्प करछि एठी मेन वर्ब देन विल इज यूज्ड एज ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब और helping verb nahi so here main verb is the run and auxiliary verb is will see ame auri dekhiba auxiliary verbs ro example verbs which are used to help main verb to form a complete sentence main verb ko jo verb help kare sentence को complete करिवा पई ताकू कुहा जाय कोन auxiliary verb और जेतु से help करे सेतिपाई ताकू मध्य आमे कहू कोन हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं से मेन वर्ब सहित जड़ित होई से कंप्लीट माने सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करिवारे से सहाय्य करि थाए जेमति कि ही विल अटेंड द मीटिंग टुमारो से आसंता काली मीटिंग को अटेंड करिवे एई अटेंड का होची मेन वर्ब ताकू हेल्प करछि कि विल नहीं नेक्स्ट सेमति आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल going is the main verb and am is helping nahi so this is the auxiliary verb or we can say helping verb he was sleeping nahi se kon karo se soi thila nahi so here sleeping is the main verb and was is the helping verb see here you can see more example identifying the main verb and auxiliary verb see subject Vincent eta subject ote Vincent is playing guitar nahi so se kon करछि से खेलुछि kon खेलुछि गिटार सहित खेलुछि he is playing Vincent is playing guitar here main verb is playing and playing को help करिवा पई जो verb यूज हेछि ताकू सेटा कोटा is so is the helping verb or auxiliary verb सेही परी I have attended high school नहीं so here attended is the main verb and have is your auxiliary verb next your sister was reading a book तम sister गोटे कोन से बही पढु अछि सॉरी पढु थिला नहीं से ताकू डिनोट करिया पाई रीडिंग को हेल्प करिवा पाई हमरो यूज होची कोन was so was is the helping verb एबे तमे डिफरेंस जानि परबो कोटा गोटे सेंटेंस रे दुईटा वर्ब थिले को गुडा को मेन वर्ब बटे केउडी को हेल्पिंग वर्ब बटे आई थिंक यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट इजीली. Next, See, auxiliary and main verb. Most of the auxiliary verb are also used as main verb. जिते बेले गोटे सेंटेंस रे गोटे इज एम आर जोटा कि आम ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब हिसाब रे यूज करी थाउ किंतु सेई सेंटेंस रे जदी केवल सेईटा ही यूज हेची कोन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब भी यूज हेची सेते बेले सेई ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब मेन वर्ब हिसाब रे कोन सेंटेंस रे कोन करथाय सेते बेले मेन वर्ब हिसाब रे से कार्य करथाय जेमति कि देखो एठारे आई एम ईटिंग राइस हियर एम इज ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब नहीं कहीं ना ईटिंग आउ गोटे मेन वर्ब अच्छी तेणु एठारे एम टा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब हिसाब रे कार्य करूची किंतु व्हेन आई विल से आई एम अ टीचर एठारे अन्य कोनोसी आउ वर्ब नाही सेई एम ही व्यवहार हेछि तेणु एठारे एम हे जिवो हमरो मेन वर्ब जेमिति कि तमे स्टूडेंट्स आर प्लेइंग तमे माने नाउ यू आर व्हाट आर यू डूइंग नाउ स्टूडेंट्स आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश नहीं सो हियर आर ता हेल्प करूची हमरो कागु लर्निंग को तेणु एठारे आमे लर्निंग हे जोची मेन वर्ब आर हे जोची तमरो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब किंतु जते बेले मु कहबी यू आर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 10 सेई समरे अन्य कोनोसी वर्ब नाही यू आर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 10 देन हियर आर इज वर्किंग एज अ मेन वर्ब ओके यू हैव डन इट वेल have is here acting as a auxiliary verb एठारे have auxiliary verb हिसाब रे काम कार्य करछि किंतु you have a dog तमरो एबे एठारे पोजेशन माने तो you have a dog तमरो गुटे डॉग अछि एठारे have टा कोन हला मेन verb हिसाब रे कार्य करछि when it functions to help another verb in a verb phrase and does not have meaning on its own it is auxiliary jete bele sei verb ta ko mane jete bele auxiliary verb अन्य main verb सहित कोन यूज करा जाए सेते बेले से जदी कोनोसी मीनिंग पोजेस न करे सेई समय रे ताकू आमे auxiliary verb हिसाब रे नै थाउ otherwise it is a मेन वर्ब जेमति कि इज एम आर ए गुडी को जते बेले सेंटेंस रे यूज होची नहीं जते बेले सेति रे मेन वर्ब किछि अछि से समय रे ताकू ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब हिसाब रे निया जाए से समय रे तारो कोनोसी मीनिंग न थाए से केवल हेल्पिंग पाई सेंटेंस को गोटे मीनिंगफुल करिवा पाई सेटा यूज हेइ थाए तेणु ताकू कहा जाए सेठारे हेल्पिंग वर्ब और ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब जेमति कि आउरी एग्जांपल अछि सी इज वर्किंग राइट नाउ एठारे देखो वर्किंग इज देयर working is works like main verb and taku help करूची कि is so is used as auxiliary verb she is a nurse जते बेले हमें ताकू कहूछु से कोन अटे ना she is a nurse here कोनोसी अन्य verb हमरो नाही तेणु is act like a main verb से परी he did not learn computer languages एठारे did ता auxiliary verb हिसाब रे यूज कराइछि काहेकि ना एठारे लर्न सिखिबा कहिकरी गोटे आउटे मेन वर्ब रहिछि किंतु जते बेले कहिबा ही डिड हिज जॉब परफेक्टली से ता काम भलो भाबरे करिला सेई समय रे सेई डिड ता व्यवहार हे गला मेन वर्ब हिसाब रे काहेकि ना एठारे आ अन्य कोनोसी वर्ब नाही तेनु डिड ता ही काम करिबो एज ए मेन वर्ब नेक्स्ट हैव दे ईटन दैट सैंडविचेस हैव दे ईटन एठारे ईटन अछि जेतु तेणु एठारे हैव हमरो कोन आसी जीवो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब आसी जीवो किंतु दे आर हैविंग लंच नाउ एठारे कोन आसला हैव ता हमरो हैविंग नहीं एठारे हमरो मेन वर्ब अछि तेणु एठारे हमरो हैव ता को कोन मेन वर्ब हिसाब रे एठारे यूज हेछि नहीं दे आर हैविंग आमे एठारे कहबा तमरो उद्देश्य होछि जे ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब को आमे मेन वर्ब हिसाब रे मध्य यूज करी पारिबा मींस जदी सेंटेंस रे तमर मेन वर्ब अन्य कोनोसी एक्शन वर्ब नाही तबे से जो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब अछि से गुडी कही मेन वर्ब हिसाब रे तमरो कार्य करि थाए नेक्स्ट कोन आमे जिंस मने रखिबा एडी देखो he is a student he is studying in our school. Again that same thing. He is a student. से गोटे छात्र अटे. He is studying in our school. से आम स्कूल रे पढ़ुची. नहीं. So he is a student जेतेबेले कहूछु से किए अटे. ताकू जेतेबेले आमे डिनोट करछु. देखो एठारे केवल is अछि अन्य कोनोसी verb नाही. So here is acting as a main verb. नहीं. जेतेबेले आमे कहूछु he is studying in our school. एठारे देखो studying पाठ पढ़ु अछि. एटा भी गोटे हमरो मेन वर्ब जेतु अछि. एठारे is काम कला हमरो as a helping verb or auxiliary verb. Now my brother has a bicycle. एठारे पोजीशन हिसाब रे यूज कराला. अन्य कोनोसी वर्ब नाही. has केवल अछि. तेनु एठारे has is used as an auxiliary verb. Sorry, main verb. But here his friend has never ridden a bicycle. एठारे हमरो जेतु आउटे verb अछि main verb. एठारे से help कला as an auxiliary verb or helping verb. So let's remember the first sentence in each pair means ei jo duita sentence achi in each pair. The first sentence has a single word verb. gote verb ro mane kono gote hi verb achi sethi. So it is the main verb but ତେଣୁ ସେଠାରେ ଯୋଉ କେବଳ ଗୋଟେ ଯେହେତୁ verb ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡିକ acting they are acting like a main verb. But in the second sentence रे एई जो दुईटा sentence second sentence रे the same verb act as an auxiliary verb and it has been underlined. एटा हमरो underline कराइछि. एगुडीको होछि हमरो acting it in first sentence रे सेगुडीको main verb हिसाब रे यूज कराइछि. second रे ता auxiliary जेहेतु सेठारे पुनी आउटे verb हमरो main verb रहिछि. Next modal verb. What is the modal verb? So modal auxiliaries कोन अछि ना या विषय डिटेल रे तमे आहुरी पढिबो. मु केवल गोटे हिंट्स दे दोछि. तमरो मेन today's main motto is to differentiate between auxiliary verb and your main verb. या विषय डिटेल गोटे गोटे को पुणी तुम्हें डिटेल रे पढ़िबो. तमे केवल रिमेम्बर करथो मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज यूजुअली एक्सप्रेस मीनिंग लाइक नेसेसिटी, ऑब्लिगेशन, एडवाइस, परमिशन, सर्टेनिटी, पॉसिबिलिटी एक्सेट्रा एगुडी को डिनोट करबा पई हमरो मॉडल वर्ब गुडी को यूज करा जाय. एगुडी को कोगुडा को जेमति एबिलिटी को शो करिया पई कैन, कुड, डेविड कैन स्पीक. एग्जांपल्स गुडी को देखिबा. देखो डेविड कैन स्पीक 3 लैंग्वेजेस. से एटा एबिलिटी को शो करूची. से 3टा लैंग्वेज रे कथा ही पारे नहीं. तमे माने जेमति तमे माने भी 3टा रु बहुत लैंग्वेजेस रे कथा ही परछो नहीं. सो इट इज नॉट अ बिग डील. सो डेविड कैन स्पीक 3 लैंग्वेजेस. ही कुड स्पीक फ्लुएंट फ्रेंच व्हेन ही वाज 5. जेतेबेले हमें पास्ट रो एबिलिटी को शो करछु सेही समय रे हमें कुड रो व्यवहार करछु. जेतेबेले से 5 वर्ष रो थिला से कोन करथला फ्लुएंटली से फ्रेंच कहि परथला. नेक्स्ट परमिशन रे देखो कैन, कुड, मे रो व्यवहार होई थाए. या विषय रे तमे एटा वरीड होने एटा तमे डिटेल रे पुनी पढिबो. कैन आई सिट इन द चेयर प्लीज. जेतेबेले हमें परमिशन सीकिंग करछु परमिशन मागुछु कैन आई यूज योर पेन प्लीज. जेतेबेले नहीं से समय रे हमें कैन रो व्यवहार करछु. एठी कुड आई ओपन द विंडो, मे आई बोरो योर डिक्शनरी. जेतेबेले तमे क्लासरूम को पसुचो तमे कहछो कि नहीं मैडम को मे आई कम इन मैडम कहछो कि नहीं सेमती. नेक्स्ट एडवाइस समय रे एडवाइस शुड रो व्यवहार होची. जेतेबेले हमें यू शुड विजिट योर डेंटिस्ट एटलीस्ट twice a year. वर्षको 2 थरो. This is also is a necessary part. You have to visit your dentist. माने दांत डॉक्टर पाखकू तुमको visit करबा कथा twice a year. Okay, you should try to lose weight. Next obligation must, have to use करि परिबा. I must memorize all of these rules about tenses. मते जेमति ले रिमेंबर करबा को पड़िबो. मस्ट यू हैव टू टेक ऑफ योर शूज बिफोर यू गेट इनटू द मॉस्क. माने मंदिर हो मठ हो जोटे को आमे एंट्री करबा पूर्वरु वी मस्ट टेक ऑफ आवर शूज. नेक्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी माइट, मे, कुड, कैन आमे यूज करथाउ. इट लुक्स नाइस बट इट माइट बी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. So dear students, you have to remember, but don't worry about these things. You will learn more about these things in later on classes. So let's move. Now we will differentiate between main verbs and auxiliary verbs. So let's read. Main verbs have dictionary meaning. Okay, एमानकर dictionary meaning था तमें जमती की run है ला jump तमें डेइबा एवरी को dictionary meaning तमें पाई पारिबो नहीं. But auxiliary verbs have no dictionary meaning. Next, main verbs can function as operator. माने हमें जतले by keeping main verb in the first part of the sentence, we can't make yes no question. हमें main verb को first रे रखिकी हमें yes no question बोलने परिबा नहीं. किंतु auxiliary verb can function as operator. By keeping auxiliary verb in the first part of the sentence, we can make yes no question. जेमती की are you happy today? Are you learning? Are you able to learn these verbs like this? Are आमे use करूँ Is this your pen? आमे auxiliary verb is को व्यवहार करेगी आमे yes no question. Yes, it is my pen. आमे am I looking happy? मुँह खुशी देखा जाऊँ कि आमे एमती use करते हो क्या नहीं? am को व्यवहार करेगी is को are को व्यवहार करेगी आमे ये जो auxiliary verb को व्यवहार करिकरी फर्स्ट रो आमे कोन आमे yes no question तयारी करि पाथो. किंतु मैं जंप को लगेगिरी तमे जंप हैला डांस हैला ईट हैला एगुडी को व्यवहार करिके केबे yes no question तयारी करि पारिबो ना. So these are the main verbs. We can't make yes no question from that, but using auxiliary verb we can make. Okay, so we can't make a negative sentence by putting not after the main verb. So a sentence can be made negative by placing not after the auxiliary verb. आमे not को auxiliary verb परे use करिकरी negative sentence करि परिबा affirmative sentence को जेमती की I am a teacher, I am not a teacher. am ता auxiliary verb ता परे मु not व्यवहार कर देली एवं ताकू affirmative sentence को मु कोन करिबी negative sentence रे कर दउची नहीं I am not a teacher. But after आमे जदी main verb जोटा यूज कराची ता परे आमे not व्यवहार करि परिबा नाही to make that sentence negative. जेमती की he is dancing not सेमती आमे करि परिबा कि नहीं सेमती आमे करि परिबा नाही. So this is the difference between main verbs and auxiliary verbs. I hope you understand this one. Next we will do activities. I hope you will give the answer. So very less time is there. We will practice fastly. Okay, there are 2 activities and also multiple choice question also there. I hope you will give answer quickly one by one. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct auxiliary from these 2. You have to choose correct auxiliary verb which we will use here. Okay, so please, I hope you will say this one. See, that's never eaten sushi before. Who will give the answer? First. We have to do so many activities. So please try to give the answer. Chata Sargi. Yes. Give the answer first. See for हमें को auxiliary verb use करी थाओ. Girls High School, BMA Girls High School, yes. Chata Sargi, switch on your mic. Yes. Now give the answer. Fast. We have no time. Which one? Has or have?
Has.
Yes, has. Has is the answer. She has never eaten sushi before. Very good. Next. Number 2, they dash playing football when it started raining. See this one. जेतेबेले वर्षा होथिला they dash playing कोटा हबो they रे हमरो कोटा यूज हबो. This one very easy. Try to give the answer.
Where?
Yes, very good. Next, the company Des launched a new product last month. Has habo na had habo? Last month. Last month the company has or had? Which one is the right one? Yes, other school, please try to give the answer. We have to do so many activities.
Shaktinagar.
Shaktinagar. Last month.
Has.
Very good. Had is the right one. Next, the students just finished their homework. The students, yes. What you say? Once again, tell.
Hatch.
The students. Here it is plural one. Yes, have. Have is the right
Have.
one. The teacher. Have is
Have.
the right one. Very good. The teacher does grade the papers tonight. You have to look this one also. Tonight. So what will be the right one? से grading करिवे आज राति रे से छुआ मानन को grading करिवे ले कोन हबो? Yes.
Will. Will.
Yes. Very good.
Will.
Very good. The kids just play outside tomorrow. See this one tomorrow. So what will be the right one? The kids just play outside tomorrow.
Would.
No. Will. Will is the right one. Next, the researcher just published several papers. The teacher. Which one is the right one? Has or have?
Has.
No, has is the right one because it is singular, na? So we have to use that has. The team Des won the championship last year. Next, last year, this used last year. So what will be the right one? Last year, gata varsha. Yes, fast, we have to do so many activities.
Has.
Had is the right one. Yes, very good. The baby Des sleeping now. Now, which one is the right one? The baby Des sleeping now.
Is.
Very good. The tourist Des visit the museum next week. Next week they will visit. So which one is the right one?
Would.
No, yaar. Will is the right one. Okay. Yes. Sit down. Next, in this sentence, you have to find out which one, you have to identify which one is the main verb and which is the auxiliary verb. So, I hope you will give the answer. Quickly, the students are studying for the exam. So, here, Telendi, yes. Good girls, try to give the answer. Basundhara school. It is very easy. Try to give the answer. Which one is the main verb and which is the auxiliary verb? Tell me. The students are studying for the exam. बुझिलनि की? कोटा main verb गोटे कोटा auxiliary? Basundhara, switch on your mic. Yes, fast. Time is going on.
Studying.
Studying is the no, studying not studying. Studying is the main verb and are is your auxiliary verb. Okay. गोटे आंसर मु कहि दोची. See here, main verb is studying. ताकू हेल्प करिछि के are. So auxiliary verb is are. So next. Sorry. देखिदेल आंसर नहीं. The teacher has graded the papers. सेटा हमें देखिले सेथरे नहीं. तो से ग्रेड करी सारी देलेनी नहीं. तो एठारे कोन अछि कोटा मेन वर्ब और कोटा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. फास्ट. यस. बुझिलो ने कि एटे एते इजीली बुझेली. बुझियला नहीं. आउटे क्लास नबा. Teacher has ग्रेडेड करछंती, ग्रेडिंग करछंती, से मार्किंग करछंती, काको केते ग्रेड देबे. Graded is here main verb and has is your auxiliary verb. Okay, the kids will play outside tomorrow. आसंता काली सेमाने खेलिबे. So please give the answer. I hope you understood this one. The kids will play outside. It has main verb कोटा. Yes, विवेकानंद. विवेकानंद स्वामी विवेकानंद को नाम को रख टिके.
Play.
प्ले इज द प्लेटा कोन.
Main verb.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. मैन वर्ब. प्लेटा होची मैन वर्ब आउ ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. एथि ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब भी अछि. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कोटा.
Tomorrow.
Oh. No. You. Tell. Yes. Will is the your auxiliary verb. Okay. So next, the company has launched a new product. Kodava. First. It is very easy. Telendi. Try to give the answer. Launch is the main verb. Very good. And auxiliary verb is your has. Okay. Dear students, try to learn this one. This is very easy. Okay. The baby is sleeping now. Here.
Sleeping.
Sleeping is the main verb. Very good. And auxiliary verb kota.
Is.
Very good.
Is.
Now Kulwa High School. Give the answer. The tourist will visit the museum next week. The tourist will visit the museum next week. Which one is auxiliary and which one is visit is the main verb and auxiliary verb?
Will.
Very good. The researcher has published several papers. Vidyut Colony. Yes. Give the answer. Take your mic. Don't laugh while laughing. Try to give the answer fast. The researcher has published several papers. Yes?
Published.
Published. Very good. ସବୁ answer ସେ କହିବ ନା କଣ? ଆଉ କିଏ କୁହ? As is the auxiliary verb. Next, the teacher had won the championship last year. So which one is the auxiliary and main verb? Yes, find out.
One.
Lady Wong. Which one?
One.
Own is the main verb. Very good. And auxiliary verb कोटा. हमें next activity रे देखी थिले बहुत सारा सेटा यूज करथिले had. नहीं. Very good. Next, the students have finished their homework. कौन है main verb? Which one? Lady Wong. Yes.
Finished.
Very good. Finished is the and auxiliary verb is your have. Next, the teacher will grade the papers tonight.
Nirmala Girls School.
This one very easy. We have practiced it before also. Nirmala Girls School. Yes. Give the answer. The teacher will grade the paper tonight. So which one is the auxiliary verb and which one is the main verb? Yes. You don't have mic? Okay, switch on your mic. It's not audible. Yes.
Pocharu School.
Nirmala High School. Pocharu High School.
Grade ହେଉଛି
Teacher.
main verb, will, auxiliary verb.
Very good. Very good. Next, the flowers are blooming in the garden. देखो, blooming means what? Bloom करतो ना? Blooming, yes.
Blooming main verb and are auxiliary verb.
Very good. Next, the chef has cooked dinner already. Which one? Very easy.
Cooked,
Yes.
cooked main verb and has auxiliary verb.
Very good. Next, the company is expanding its operation. Company expand করছি their operation গুড়িকু. So, which one is the? Yes, another boy, please stand up. Yes, try to give the answer. It's so easy. Which one is the right one? Is the?
Is auxiliary
What?
verb.
Very good.
Is
Auxiliary. Our
auxiliary
expanding টা কোন দে? Our main verb কোটা দে?
Verb.
কোটা?
Expanding.
Main verb কোটা হবো? Expanding. Very good. Very good. Sit down. The students are studying hard for the exam. The students are studying hard for the exam. So, which one is the auxiliary and which are main verb?
Studying main verb and are auxiliary verb.
Very good. Next, the baby was sleeping when I called.
Sleeping main verb and was auxiliary verb.
Very good. समझते बुझी गलो नहीं? Next, some more questions are also there. If you will give answer quickly, then we will finish. Okay. So, in the sentence, Jack is walking to school. What is the main verb?
Purnapani.
Purnapani High School. Purnapani. Yes.
Walking.
Working नहीं, walking. Walking out there.
Walking.
Very good.
Walking.
Walking is the main verb here. Okay. Which of the following is an auxiliary verb? H है कोटा auxiliary verb बटे run, jump, eat, has. कोटा हमें auxiliary verb भावरे usually use करी था वो. Yes, which answer?
Has.
Yes, very good. As. Nice. Next, choose the correct auxiliary verb to complete the sentence. She finished her homework. Yes.
Has.
Go. She has finished her homework. Okay. So next, in the sentence, they will place saucer tomorrow. What is the auxiliary verb? A sentence re auxiliary verb kota achi? They will play saucer tomorrow.
Will.
Yes,
Will.
very good. Will is the right one. Nice. Next, which sentence uses a main verb correctly? एठारे Jack is to school, Jack has to school, Jack walks to school, Jack can to school. एठारे main verb को किए properly use करी छी?
Jack walks to school.
Very good. This one is the right one. B is the what type of verb is do in the sentence? ए जो sentence रे ए जो do verb टा use कराई थी सेटा को प्रकार use कराई थी? Do you like ice cream? So it is used as main verb, linking verb, auxiliary verb or action verb. Yes. एठारे आउ गोटे verb अछि ना नहीं? Main verb भाबरे नहीं like अछि like main verb रे use कर. Very good. एटा होइछि तमरो auxiliary verb हिसाब रे use कराई छी. काहे कि ना एठारे like भी use कराई छी ना main verb हिसाब रे. So do is do auxiliary verb हिसाब रे एठारे use कराई छी. Next, choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. He dash reading a book. कोन हबो? कोन हबो? ए भितरु चारटा ऑप्शन देखो, चारटा ऑप्शन is very good.
Is.
Next, in the sentence, he has eaten lunch. What is the main verb? He has eaten lunch. Eaten. Very
Ten.
good. Which of the following is not an auxiliary verb? ए भितरु कोटा auxiliary verb नु है जो कोटा में auxiliary verb हिसाब रे यूज करि परिबा नाही. Saktinagar,
Run.
you have given so many.
Run.
Okay,
Run,
okay,
run,
run. Very
run.
good.
Run.
Yes. Very good. Next, what is the auxiliary verb in the sentence? They are playing in the park.
Are.
Yes.
Are.
Very good.
Bisamunda.
Bisamda. Which word in this sentence is an auxiliary verb? We should finish our homework soon. आमे हमरो homework शीघ्र finish करवा उचित.
Should.
माने finish करवा कथा कोटा. Should. Very good.
Should.
In the sentence, they had been waiting for an hour. How many auxiliary verbs are there? A sentence में कितना auxiliary verb use कराई थी? They had been waiting for an hour. कितना auxiliary verb अच्छी?
दुईटा.
Very good. Thank you. दुईटा अच्छी? नहीं. Had and been. Next. Which sentence uses an auxiliary verb to express possibility? Possibility को हमें को auxiliary verb साझे दर्शाई थो. She can dance very well. They danced all night. He dances every weekend. We dance together often. Possibility माने संभावना को क्या दर्शाऊची? Yes. Which one is the right one?
She can
Gangajal.
हाँ, Gangajal High School.
very well.
Gangajal High School. Please try to give the answer.
She can
Yes, yes.
dance very well.
Very good. She can dance very well. Possibility को सूचाऊची नहीं. से करी पारिबो. In the sentence, you must try harder next time. What does the auxiliary verb must indicate? एठारे जो you must try harder next time कोई एठारे must टा कौन शो करूची? हमारा permission, necessity or ability?
Necessity.
Yes. Very good.
Necessity.
Necessity को नहीं. This is the last one. Fill in the blanks with the correct auxiliary verb. The teacher best explained the lesson already. Which one?
Has.
कोटा में use कुछ करीबा?
Has.
Yes, very good. Has.
Has.
Very good. Very good, all of you. Thank you. You have. I hope you all have understood this one. Difference between this main verb and auxiliary verb. एवं लास्ट गोटे रिक्वेस्ट तुमको समस्तଙ୍କୁ तमे एई खरा छुट्टी रे इच चैप्टर रो सबु चैप्टर रे फर्स्ट चैप्टर ना लिखि देबो एवं सबु चैप्टर रो को वर्ब माने यूज कराई छी सेंटेंस बाय सेंटेंस पढिबो सबु सेंटेंस रा विदाउट वर्ब सेंटेंस मेकिंग हे परिबो नाही तमे वर्ब गुडी को लिखिबो एवं जोटा मेन वर्ब थिबो से गुडी को जोटा कि एक्शन वर्ब जो आमे कहू से गुडी करो तमे थ्रीटा फॉर्म्स भी थाए आईएनजी फॉर्म्स भी थाए से फॉर्म्स गुडी को लिखिबो एवं तार मीनिंग जानवा को चेष्टा करिवो आ ताकू रिमेंबर करिवो so that you will understood the chapter very well and also you will able to give the able to write the answer very well and also it will help in your sentence making and also in understanding the chapter and also you will able to give the answer of your what is that means paragraph जेतबेले paragraph नंबर आसुची paragraph रो क्वेश्चन आसुची सेटा भी तमे इजीली करि पाइबो तापरे जेतबेले तमे ट्रांसलेशन आसुची नहीं ट्रांसलेशन आसुची से ट्रांसलेशन मध्ये तमे इजीली करि पाइबो काहे ना तमे विभिन्न वर्ड गुडी को जानि पाइबो नहीं तमे जेतबेले ट्रांसलेशन करछो सेही समय रे मु देखे प्राय सेही वर्ड रो मीनिंग कोन थिला एम्ति तमे टीचर मानन को भी पचाई थाओ नहीं जे एई फुटिबा फुल फुटिबा मैडम फुटिबार इंग्लिश कोन होबो नहीं सेमती पचार तेणु तुम जदि से चैप्टर इच वर्ड को जानी पारिबो तार डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स को जानी पारिबो तुमको सबु जिंस रे इजी हेबो ट्रांसलेशन नु नेकरी पैराग्राफ रो नेकरी तुम सबु जिंस भलो भाबरे करि पारिबो सो कीप माय रिक्वेस्ट एंड ऑल ट्राई टू डू दिस वन एंड दिस वन ओनली द बेसिक थिंग ऑफ योर वर्ब that is the difference between main verb and auxiliary verb. There are so many things in that verb chapter, but later on you will study more and more. So thank you all the students.